Studies have shown that walking is great for your health on so many different levels, from your mental health to your cardiovascular, your blood flow, your muscle and bone strength, just to losing weight. Well, and the issue is this day and age is we're too busy. To go get a walk in takes time. And that's where today's product, the FlexiSpot 2-in-1 under desk treadmill, comes handy. The FlexiSpot 2-in-1 under desk treadmill does come pretty much completely assembled in the box. You can either set it up with the handlebar up, or you can keep it down if you want it to be set up under a desk. Plug it in, turn it on. You do have a remote that comes with it. So it does have 2 speed ranges. When it's unfolded, you can go from 0.6 of a mile to 6.2 miles per hour. And when it is folded down, then it can go from 0.6 to 4 miles per hour. And we'll also show you how long you've been walking for, distance, and the calories that you've burnt. Now, this is ideal to use with a FlexiSpot adjustable standing table. That way it can be set up underneath and you can adjust the table to your height. When using it on the desk, it does come to 51.2 inches long and 22.4 inches wide. And then when you have it in the stand alone with the handle up, and then when you do have the handle up, it is only 49.2 inches long with 20 inches wide. It does have a max weight capacity of 265 pounds. It does have 8 shock absorbing pads, so it does actually take that stress off of your knees while you're walking. Because it is so lightweight and compact, and it does have that fold down function, plus it does have wheels on the front, it means you can unplug it and wheel it out the way and bring your chair back in to sit down. So you're not forced to always be standing at your desk, and you're not forced to always be sitting at your desk. The treadmill just gives you the option to do extra walking when it suits you best. And again, because it is a mobile option for a treadmill, it means you can set it up anywhere you want. So something I think is great to do is setting it up in front of the TV and putting on some walking visuals and feel like you're walking through a really nice town or nature, and just do something that helps you motivate getting more walking. So overall, I do think this 2-in-1 treadmill from FlexiSpot is fantastic. It's a really great versatile option to allow you to use it how you want and where you want, and because it is so compact, it's great for an office or a home situation. And again, you're going to get so many health benefits from incorporating more walking throughout your day. On top of that, it does have an add-on you can connect onto the rail, which will allow you to hold your phone or tablet or something like that, so you don't need to be in front of a TV. So if you are interested in the FlexiSpot 2-in-1 under desk treadmill, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Please comment below what you would use it for, share this with a friend, hit that like button, and of course subscribe for more great videos like this.